Hi, okay, I'm going to do a science experiment for you guys today. It's called crushing can activity, and basically you crush a can in water. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, here are the materials that you need. You're going to need a spoon. You're going to need some sort of can. It cannot be a bottle of this kind. You can't use a bottle because it's not going to work. It has to be a can. What you basically have to do is crush the can, but you have to do it in water. And you're going to need this kind of can. You can use one, or if you want to do it 50,000 times because you think it's so awesome, you can have 50,000 cans. Today I'm going to use 3 cans for you guys because I'm going to show you 3 times. Okay? So like I said, you need a spoon and some cans. You're going to need a pan. Ow! Sorry. You're going to need a pan. And you're gonna need like a sort of gas. So I'm gonna use a stove today, and you can use a portable gas. You can use electric gas. This is electric. You can use open flame gas, or you can use like the ones that are where you can find like it's all marble here, and then you can't really see the coals unless you turn it on, kind of thing. So I'm gonna use this pan. I'm gonna put it on here, and then we're gonna use the gas later. Then you're gonna need a tray full of really cold water. You don't have to use ice, you can use a tap water, but the colder the water, the better it is. You're going to need this kind of cold water, and you have to set it there for at least 5 minutes so it's really cooled up and chilled up, and you can use it like that. Okay? So we're going to start our activity now, and if anything goes wrong, then my mom's going to help me. So here we go. Okay. What you're going to do first, your first step is you're going to take a spoon, and you're going to take a spoonful of any type of water you want because you're going to steam the water anyways. So just 1 spoon for each of them. Okay, I'm going to take a spoon of water, and I'm going to put it in the can. It has to be very low water because if you put too much, it's not going to work. Okay, so I'm going to put it on here.
Ismo ang sana doon.
Okay, and the last one. Okay, now you can put the spoon away because you're not going to need it anymore. Now we're going to take these cans, as you can hear it. There's water in here. Now we're going to take the can and we're going to put it on the pan. Each one. Okay? Now you're going to put the heat on high or medium high. I'm going to put it on high because we can speed up the process a bit. And then we're going to use this, and we're going to wait until there's steam coming out of it. So, in case you guys are wondering what this is, it's not just a it's not a magic trick. It's a real science experiment. What's going to go on with this is that it's going to the carbon dioxide in the carbon dioxide in the hold on, this is working. I'm going to switch it for you. Okay, put it on here. Something spilled over last weekend, it's not working, so I'm just going to put it on here. I'm going to put this one on here so it's easier. Okay, so like I said, if you guys are wondering if this is a magic trick, it's not. It's a real science experiment. My teacher in my science class, she taught us how to do this. And it's also on this channel on YouTube called Steve Spankler Science. And you go on YouTube, you can subscribe. There's so much cool science experiments. There's the lava lamp experiment. There's the nitrogen gas experiment. There's walking on eggs, walking on needles. Any kind of cool science experiment you can watch on there. Later, I'm going to do another one which involves oil, food coloring, a bottle, and some Alka-Seltzer fizz tablets. Now this is called a lava lamp experiment, and it's very cool because, well, you gotta see in my next episode if you want to actually look at and realize what it is. So that's for the description. Now we're gonna wait for that to come alive. As you can see, the steam is coming out of the cans. just gonna wait for this. As I said before, it's gonna take a long time, so we gotta wait. Come on, Ken. It's working. It's gonna work, seriously. Unless you're thinking this is gonna be an epic fail, it's not, okay? The reason I want to put it on the pan is because there's metal on this, and if you put it on open flame, then I don't know what the crap is gonna happen, but it's not gonna be good. I don't think you want your house to go on fire. So I would just, like, for safety precautions and stuff, I would just put it on a pan if I were you. So, bro. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to give you a little description about my science teacher. My science teacher's name is Laura Kemp, and she's a really fun teacher. I wasn't at school at the first day of 7th grade for 3 days because I was in my country, Nepal, and my friends told me that in the first day of school she dressed up as a pirate because she wants us to follow the pirate code. She wants us to be an IB Learning Profile, which is like the characteristics of an IB World School, and she does these really good science experiments. She's really funny, really humorous, has funny pop-up jokes that she always does in class, and I really do appreciate all the work she does because she's a really good teacher. And Miss Kemp, if you're watching this, then you are good. Okay, so so if you hear really, really, really cautiously, the water is bubbling inside the can. Let me turn this off. You can hear that. Now it has to be extremely hot because, you know, it's not going to work if it's not. Okay, now I can't do this because this is really hot, but my mom is going to flip the can over for me, and she's taking safety precautions. Okay, now as you can see, okay, now we're going to flip this really fast, okay? The reason I didn't use the reason I didn't use the tweezers is because if the can wasn't, okay, ready, set.
No, it's still hot. Wait,
It's really hot. Okay,
I don't know how to do this.
here, do it now. Okay, just do it really fast, mommy. Really fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I told you. I don't know what's wrong. It's not working. I don't know what the teacher said though. She's away. I think
I'm going to surprise. Maybe the can's not working.
Okay, try again.
Let's steam it first. Hold on.
Không để gọi nó. Cao đi rồi. Ba cái gì đó. Ito sa mene. Ito ba? Kung ba ila sa umira sa to. Hay nữa. Pha đi là sao nó mà đánh ngoài đấy rồi. Ăn ba phải thấy không? Vâng.
Okay, we're gonna try one more time. Okay, really, just the opening has to go in the water. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good
That was the best science experiment
What?
that I've ever seen in my life. Okay, we're gonna try it one more time, and I'm gonna tell you what's going on with this. Okay. As you can see, the can is crushed. And the first time it wasn't really good because the water wasn't really steaming well and it was really hot, so my mom couldn't hold it. But the second time, the can crushed and we did it. Okay, we're going to do it one more time, and after this I'm going to explain what happened.
There you go.
As you can see, so what happened was, okay, so what happened was, as you can see, you know how we put like a little bit of water, just a little bit of water in the can. Now if you zoom into the can, Papa, okay, there's a lot of water in the can, as you can see, and I did not put that much water in there. And the reason why there's so much water in there is because when the can goes in there, it's the can is not sucking the water up in the wait, okay, let's rephrase that. The water is not the can is not getting the can is not sucking up the water inside it. The water is going inside the can because of the force of air pressure that's pushing on the can. There's so much air pressure. There's so much air pressure in the water. There's more air pressure in the water than the air pressure in the air, and it's not balanced. So that's why the can is crushed. And because the can is crushed, the water gets into the can, and then that's how there's so much water in there when you take it out. Okay? So the first time it wasn't really that good. This didn't really work out that well, but at least we got it, and it's kind of crushed. This was the best one. So, I hope you like that. I hope you like, comment, and share, and I'll see you for my next science experiment with the lava lamp. Bye!